Need to return an item or split a large charge with a friend? If you're not sure how to handle it with your Amex, you're not alone. Today, we're navigating refunds and transaction adjustments on your Amex card. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. While you can't split a charge directly on your Amex statement, you can handle returns and manage payments from others easily. For refunds, work directly with the merchant. The fastest way to get a refund is to follow the store's return policy. Once the merchant processes the refund, it will appear as a credit on your Amex account, usually within 3 to 10 business days. For splitting costs, use peer-to-peer apps. If you put a large dinner or trip on your Amex and need to get paid back, use apps like Venmo, PayPal, or Zelle. Have your friends send you their share directly to your bank account. This is much cleaner than trying to involve Amex directly. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: track your refunds in the Pending Transactions section. After initiating a return, keep an eye on your Amex account. The refund will often show as pending before it officially posts. This helps you confirm the merchant has processed it and know exactly when the credit is applied. So, just like that, you can manage your account credits and shared expenses smoothly. Understanding the refund process goes a long way in keeping your finances organized. Now I'm curious, what's the largest refund you've ever received on your Amex? Was it for travel, electronics, or something else? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.